Hi, I'm Hillary Richardson, your undergraduate research librarian. In this video, we're going to cover two topics that will help you complete your research assignment. First, what is empirical research and how to identify it in articles online, and second, how to access online articles within a particular journal. Before we jump into that, I want to remind everyone that even though our physical library isn't open right now, we are still operating virtually. So if you have a question about finding, accessing, or using a library resource, you can still call, chat, or email us, and we will be there to help you, even if we're socially distanced. Now, let's discuss what empirical research is and how you can tell it apart from other items in the search list. Empirical just means that you've learned about something because you measured it or observed it and have collected data doing this to be analyzed. So an empirical research article is different from other articles because it has clues like a methods section for how data was gathered, or descriptions of participants in a study, or tests used in an experiment, and so on. Other kinds of articles, like reviews and editorials, may mention or cite empirical research articles, but don't gather any original evidence or collect any original data. So now that we know what an empirical research article looks like, let's find some. We have access to several of them through subscriptions to journals. The ones listed here have been selected specifically for your research. Take note of the dates of online access. Our subscription sometimes comes with an embargo or a delay of full text access. So when we search online, keep in mind that you may have to use alternative means to access some of the articles you find. I will show you how shortly. Let's look for articles in the journal Child Development. To search journals that you know the title of, click on Advanced Search from the library webpage. From here, you can either type the name of the journal in the search bar and select Journal Title from the drop-down menu, which is quick but not always precise, or you can click Publications and search for the exact journal. From here, you can type keywords into Search within this publication, and you'll see that the publication is listed in the limiters area on the left side of the page. Change these limiters or the keywords to control what's in your list, like articles published more recently, published in English, peer-reviewed, and more. You can even type research as a keyword as a way to weed out things like editorials or reviews. This is not a precise limiter, but it does help if your result list is overwhelming. If you find one or more articles that interest you, click the plus button next to the article's title to add them to a temporary folder. To read the articles, you will either see a link that says full text or one that says request this item through interlibrary loan. To access articles we don't have an online subscription to, interlibrary loan is an excellent option, but it isn't instant. If you see this link, remember that it could take a couple of days to receive a PDF in your inbox. And remember, if the article is in the journal Developmental Psychology, you can ask Dr. Krogh for it directly. She has her own subscription. Remember, research is a trial and error process, and it often takes a few different attempts in a few different places. If none of your attempts is producing results and you find yourself frustrated or confused, you can always get in touch with someone at the library. We're available virtually until 10 p.m. Monday through Thursday, and have someone online to answer chat and email questions at all times. You can also schedule a virtual appointment with me, and I can share my screen with you. Click on Schedule an Appointment from the Quick Link section of the library homepage, select a name from the list of librarians, and choose a time that you'd like to meet. We're here if you need help. Just remember to ask Athena.